Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel for projects, learning electronics and finding something new. This is old batteries, very nice, nickel cadmium, more than I can say 12 years and thousands of time recharging, but one of them is completely dead. This is completely dead and the other one still have 1 volt. So that one we will disassemble and see what have inside. Let's find what this old battery making so great to working perfect for years. How you can see, it's all plastic shell. And it looks very difficult to cut. Looks like batteries are very small but have a lot of plastic. and after using one hammer it's separated, and how I say, the battery is not so big but have a lot of plastic. Do you ever see case like this on old battery? It looks like need to cut more to full disassemble. Or maybe use a hammer is a great idea. And how you can see inside, it's more looks like not regular battery. This looks like more like battery from cars and have a acid inside, and it's not like the other type of battery that you see on the internet. You see, it's more looks like a capacitor, have a lot of layers inside and full with acid, and so for that it's working a lot of years. This is more than 12 years, and the other one still working. But this one, it looks like the acid is gone and it's taking down. I'm trying to pull everything out, but the shell is very hard. It's not like this day's battery. This battery was made it in 1992. How I remember, I use it in my toys.